So good morning, this is Embedded System D83102. Course outcome, students will be able to select the relevant microcontrollers for various industrial applications. Students will be able to use embedded C programming language to maintain the embedded system. Students will be able to interpret the communication standards of embedded systems. Students will be able to develop basic applications of the embedded system. Students will be able to interpret features of real-time operating systems. So we are discussing various programs in the 8051 in embedded C, and we have discussed some of them. For example, program to blink port pins high and low forever, which requires hash include REG51H. Okay, we are having the main function which returns void, which is having the argument void main void, and it is having the block of commands. Void main void will have block of commands enclosed by curly brackets. So in this program, port P1 is having 8 pins and they are made high and low with some delay. To create the delay, for loop is used. Okay, and port are send 0 and port are send 1, all 0, all 1. And this for loop is for forever, continuous, infinite time execution. Similarly, next program is also same, blinking the port pins high and low forever. Again, void main void is there, then curly brackets are there. For void main void, it is defining the block of the commands, block of the instructions. There is unsigned integer x, variable definition. While 1 is there, which is infinite loop forever. And for the while, there is a block of the instructions. P1 is send 0, delay is there with the for loop. P1 is send all 1, delay is there. So this runs forever. Similarly, third program we have discussed blinking of the port pins high and low for 10 times only, not forever, for only 10 times. It will blink 10 times. 10 times it is made on and off, and it is then terminate the program. This is again having the include REG51H, void main void is there, and for main function these are the two curly brackets, unsigned k and x are defined. So today it is corrected, k as well as x is required. So unsigned k and x. Then for k equal to 0, k less than 10, increase the k by 1, and for loop there is a curly bracket block of the instruction. So P1 is send 0 0, delay is there, P1 is send all 1, delay is there. This executes for 10 times. This for loop executes k less than 10 times. So these programs we have discussed. Now let us consider this program. What is its statement? Program to blink all port pins high and low sequentially. Program to blink all port pins high and low sequentially, one after another, forever again. So forever, this for is there, for semicolon into bracket, forever. Now this statement, this program is divided into three slides. This is one of 3. Then there is a 2 of 3, and then there is a 3 of 3. Okay. So this program is having 3 slides. Okay. So include REG 51H and void main void are there, and this is the curly bracket opening. Main and curly bracket closing of main will be this. Curly bracket closing of main will be this. So this will be curly bracket closing the main. Okay. So in this way. So what is the logic it is asked? Just check. What is the logic that is asked? The program to blink the all port pins high and low. So port is there and all port pins are there. A particular port is having 8 pin, all the pins of the port. Suppose P1, P0. P0 is having 8 pin, P1 is having 8 pin, P2 is having 8 pin, P3 is having 8 pin. But what the statement says, all port pins, all ports, all pins, all ports, all pins. So all ports are there, P0, P1, P2, P3, and they are all pins, and they are blinked sequentially one after other. So first P0 is blinked, then P1 is blinked, then P2 is blinked, then P3 is blinked. They are sequentially blinked. Okay, so this is the statement of the program. So first we have to understand what is asked, what is statement. Then we can write the logic, isn't it? First we have to understand what is statement. What is to be done is to be understand first. Then we can go for actual coding task. Okay, to write the code. So what is there in the code? First P1 is there. P1 is given 000. Sorry, P0 is there. P0 is there. P0 is outputted 000. P1 is outputted 000. P2 is outputted 000. P3 is outputted 000. Okay. All are now giving output as a 0 on all the pins, because 00 is hex. 0x00 is hex. That means in binary 0x00 it is hex 00. In binary, what will be there? 00000000. 8 zeros will be there. 8 bits will be there. Then we'll provide the delay. Delay is with the help of for loop. Okay. Now there are two for loops. One for loop, second for loop. One for loop round bracket is not having a semicolon delimiter. Okay. At the end of the round bracket for loop there is not having any semicolon. But for next for loop there is a semicolon. Okay. For next for loop there is a semicolon. So what is the difference in these two? One for loop is having no semicolon. Next for loop is having semicolon written there. If semicolon is present, that means the for loop is not get connected to next instruction. Next instruction is not a part of this for loop if semicolon is given. If semicolon is not given, then next instruction is a part of this for loop. So for first for loop, no semicolon is there. So for this for loop, next instruction is for loop, L wala for loop. For loop for k, is not having the semicolon. For loop for L having the semicolon. So for loop for K will have next instruction associated with it. So next instruction for loop of K is what? It is a for loop of L. For loop of L is a part of for loop of K. That means whenever the for loop of K executes, for loop, it will execute next instruction, that is for loop for L. For loop for L will be executed whenever there is the execution of for loop for K. But it is not true for next instruction. For loop for L is having semicolon at the end. So it will execute itself. It will not execute next instruction to that. So next instruction is P0 equal to 0xFF. This is not executed with this for loop because it is semicolon delimited. So how it will execute now? Let us check. Suppose for loop for K starts. So these first four instructions executed, P equal to 0x 0, P1 equal to 0x 0, P2 equal to 0x 0, P3 equal to 0x 0. All the P1, P0, P1, P2, P3 are given 0 output. All the lines, every port is having 8 IO lines. All the 32 IO lines of all the 4 ports are saying 0. Okay. Now they are showing 0 volt, logic 0. Sorry. Then after this, a for loop will be executed. For k equal to 0, for k equal to 0, sorry, k. For k equal to 0, it is checked. K is less than 2500. Yes, it is true. Increment k. K is increment. And along with this k, the next instruction is executed. That is for loop. For k equal to 0. Okay. This is for k equal to 0. Next for loop is executed. And that is L equal to 0. L less than 2500. Okay. And L increment. Yes. So this L loop will increase, L for loop will execute 2500 times. Okay. In itself. And then it will go to k equal to 1. Now instead of 0, k becomes 1. Again k is less than 2500, it is true. But since it is not having semicolon, it will execute next for loop along with it. So again for loop for L will execute L equal to 0, L less than 2500, increment L. So L will execute 2500 times. So L for loop for L is rotated, executed 2500 times for k equal to 0. Similarly, for loop for L is executed 2500 times for k equal to 1. Similarly, for loop for L will is executing 2500 times for k equal to 2. Similarly, for loop for L is going to execute 2500 times for k equal to 3. Similarly, for 4, it is executing 2500 times. How many times the k for loop is executing? It is also executing 2500 times. So, totally the for loop for L will execute 2500 into 2500 times. So very large delay will be observed. Okay. So these are called nested for loop. Nested for loop. One for loop is there that is executing. Next for loop is a part of that first for loop execution. So second for loop will execute. Again first for loop will count next one and second for loop completely executed. Again first for counts next one. First for loop is counting one only. Second for loop completely executing for total count, maximum count. So second for loop executes for total count into the total count of first for loop. So 2500 into 2500 times the for loop for L is executing. For loop for L is executing 2500 into 2500 times. Isn't it? So how many times it is executing? 2500 into 2500. It is 62 lakh 50,000 times. Isn't it? For loop for L will execute 62 lakh 50,000 times. Okay. So this is the delay introduced. This is called nested for loop. This is nothing but a nested for loop. Okay. It is called nested for loop. Then after this much delay, all the port pins are low. This delay is provided. Then P0 is sent 0xFF. Okay. P0 is sent with 0xFF. Okay. P0 equal to 0xFF. Then for k equal to 0, k less than 2500, increment k. Again, no semicolon is there. For L equal to 0, L less than 2500, increment L. Here the semicolon is there. So this for loop, first for loop, not having semicolon. Second for loop is having semicolon at the end. So second for loop will not consider next instruction as its part. But first for loop is considering next instruction as its part. So with the for loop of k, for loop of L will execute. But with the for loop of L, next instruction will not execute. With for loop, it is executing separately, only once. So this is nested for loop. Nested for loop. Okay? Nested for loop. So this is introducing delay, which we have discussed in the previous slide. Nested for loop. And then there will be again P0 equal to 0xFF and additionally P1 equal to 0xFF. First the P0 is sent 11111111. Then delay is given. Then P0 as well as P1 are sent 11111111. And delay is given. Here again delay is there. Now two ports are sent 1111 and delay is given sequentially, isn't it? Then after delay again P0 is sent 1111 1111. P1 is sent 1111 1111. P2 is sent 1111 1111. So three ports are sent with all the 8 pin of each port high. Okay. P0 equal to 0xff, P1 equal to 0xff, P2 equal to 0xff. Again delay is given. Okay, and again delay is provided. Now all after delay, all four ports are provided, outputted 11111111. That means all 8 pins are 1 for all the 4 ports. P0 is 0xff, P1 is 0xff, P2 is 0xff, P3 is 0xff. Okay. That means all 4 ports are, all 8 lines of all 4 ports, total 32 lines, will have now 1111. After outputting 1 on all 32 lines, there is again a delay, and after this delay, this curly bracket block is this particular. Okay. Okay, this is the curly bracket block. Second, again goes to for loop here, because it is infinite for loop, isn't it? It is forever. It is forever for semicolon semicolon. So again it will start from first. P0 0, P1 0, P2 0, P3 0, delay will be there. Then only P0 is made 1, delay will be there. Then P0 and P1 is made 1, delay will be there. Then P0, P1, P2 are made 1, delay will be there. Then all 4 P0, P1, P2, P3 are made 1, delay will be there. Again it will go to the first statement, and this is forever. This is forever, isn't it? So this is forever because of for semicolon semicolon. Okay, this is forever because it is having for semicolon semicolon. Okay. So in this way, the blinking of the port pins are there, blinking of all port pins are there, high and low, and that blinking is sequentially. Blinking is sequentially. Sequentially means port 0 will be made high, then port 1 will be made high, then port 2 will be made high, then port 3 will be made high, sequentially. Each time is delay is given. So all are 0, then only port 1 is made high, remaining 3 are 0, delay is given. Then port 0 and port 1 both are made high, 2 and 3 are low only, delay is given. Then port 0, port 1, port 2 are made high, delay is given. Port 3 0. Then port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3 all are made high, delay is given. Again all are made 0 sequentially. Okay. So you can improve this program instead of making all 0 after all 1, you can sequentially remove 1 by 1 and make it 0. Anyway, you can have the pattern of blinking. So this is the pattern of blinking. First all are 0, delay is there. Then 1 by 1 port becomes high. Whenever all 4 port becomes high, there is a delay, and all 4 becomes low. This is the pattern of blinking. You can change the pattern of blinking according to your wish. You can develop your own logic. This is one of the logic. Okay. I think this program you have cleared, understood. In this program, only simple thing is done, and that is blinking is there high to low sequentially, and there is a for loop used nested fashion. Nested for loop is there, and nested for loop is used for delay. Okay, concept of nested for loop is used. That much is the thing we have newly studied. Remaining many things we have already discussed in previous programs. Program 1, 2, 3. What is the for loop execution, how it is executing, what is the hex number, how it is getting outputted at ports, port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3. How 00 is outputted, how FF is outputted. Okay, what is the forever loop for round bracket semicolon semicolon round bracket complete. So forever loop, while one is also forever loop, infinite loop or forever loop. These things we have already discussed. What is the new thing in this program is nested for loop. One for loop is not having the semicolon, second for loop is having semicolon. And due to nested for loop, 62,50,000 times second for loop is executing, and 2005 times first for loop will be executing. That will create a large delay. Okay, longer delay. So in this way, we have discussed this program logic. And again, the logic is having all four ports 0, then sequentially one by one port are made high. 0th port is made high, then delay is there, then 0th and first port is made high, then delay is there, then 0th, first and second port is made high, then delay is there, then all four 0th, first, second, third port are made high, delay is given, then all ports are made, all ports are made 0. And this repeats infinite times. Okay. So this is the program for sequential blinking of the port, and sequentially they are blinking one after other, and they are blinking. This operation is for forever. Then let us check the next program. Again it is regarding the blinking of the port pins. Okay. High and low, sequentially, one after another, for infinite times, for finite times. For finite times. How many times? Let us say 4 times. It is not infinite times, it is finite times. Let us say 4 times. So this program is very same as that of the previous one. If you check the statement of the program, this program is very same as that of the previous program. What is there in this program? In this program, it is to be blinked. Port is to be blinked. Blink all the port pins, high and low. And the port are sequentially one after other are used. Okay, one after another. For how many times? Finite times. How much is the finite value? 4 times. Let us say 4 times. So blinking is there one after other sequentially, and how many times this operation is done is 4 times. How it will work? It will work. First all the ports are 0, then port 0 is made high. Every time delay will be there. First all the ports are 0, delay will be there. Then port 0 is made high, delay will be there. Then port 0 and 1 are made high, delay will be there. Then port 0 and 1 and 2 are made high, delay will be there. Then port 0 and 1 and 2 and 3 are made high, the delay will be there. This completes one cycle. Such 4 repetitions are there. 4 times it will be executed. Then again all ports are made 0. Then port 0 is made high, delay will be there. Then port 0 and port 1 are made high, delay will be there. Then port 0, port 1 and port 3 are made high, the delay will be there. And all 4 ports are made high, delay will be there. This completes second time. Similarly, the third time, similarly, the fourth time, and it should end. It should complete this process. So this blinking pattern, which is sequentially making on of the LED, sequentially making on of the LED, this is the blinking pattern. That is sequentially making on ports. Suppose one port is there, then 1 and 2 second is there, 1 second third is there, 1 second fourth is there. Sequentially making on. This complete process is to be repeated 4 times. So all the complete process is to be repeated 4 times. Is it correct? This is the logic. This is logic of the program. Okay. Hope you have understood the logic of the program. Now let's check the program. Include reg51.h, header file is included. Okay. Then void main, void is there. This main is a function name which starts here and ends at the end of the curly bracket. So this main will have the curly bracket start and curly bracket end. So here also we are having the 3 pages, 3 slides. Okay. Slide 0, 01 of 3, 02 of 3, 03 of 3. So curly bracket of the main ends here. Okay. So main will have this much territory, we can say. This is the main. Next is the for loop in the main. And this for loop will have this much. Program blocks or code block, we can say. Code block, instructions block. For loop is having this. Now under main function there is a declaration of the variables unsigned integer b comma k comma l. In previous program only k and l are there. Now here additional b is also declared. That is only the difference. And instead of for semicolon here, if you observe, after include void and unsigned declaration, for semicolon double semicolon is there, isn't it? For double semicolon. So this for double semicolon is now replaced with for loop which executes 4 times. Instead of forever or infinite time for loop, for semicolon, it is now 4 times executing for loop. This for loop will execute 4 times. So what is the construct or what is the instruction details? Instruction is for into round bracket b equal to 0 semicolon b less than 4 semicolon b plus plus semicolon b plus plus round bracket complete. So this for loop will execute 4 times. Okay. This for loop of b variable will rotate, execute 4 times. B equal to 0, it will execute. B equal to 1, it will execute. B less than 4 है ना. B equal to 1 is B less than 4. Condition checking is true. B equal to 2, again B less than 4. Condition is true. Condition checking is true. So it will execute. B equal to 3. Again B is less than 4. It will execute. But B equal to 4, it will not execute. The fifth time, it will not execute. Okay. So only b equal to 0, b equal to 1, b equal to 2, b equal to 3, b equal to 4. It will not execute fifth time. B equal to 4, when it will become, its time is fifth. 4 times it will execute. In this way, the logic can be verified also. Okay. Remaining all the program is same. Remaining all the program is same. If you check, okay, I think you now have got the logic. What is the logic? The statement is program to blink all 4 port pins high and low sequentially one after another for finite times. Let's say 4 times. So we have included reg51.h. We have started with the main function void main void. Then curly bracket is started. Then curly bracket is closed. Then unsigned integer b comma t comma l. Variables are defined. B is a variable, k is a variable, l is a variable. So for loop, first for loop, for is b equal to 0, b less than 4, increment b, b plus plus. Bracket complete. Okay. Then for b equal to 0, for b less than 4, b plus plus. No semicolon is there. So it will execute 4 times. And along with its execution, it also consider the following block of the commands as its part. Whenever the for b is equal to 0, b less than 4, b plus plus executes, because without semicolon for is there. So next instruction or next block complete is considered as a part of this for. So for b equal to 0, the complete block is executed. For b equal to 1, complete block is executed. For b equal to 2, complete block is executed. For b equal to 3, complete block is executed. But for b equal to 4, this block is not executed, because for b equal to 4, b is less than 4 is false, and logic is not satisfied. Condition is not satisfied. Logic is 0. Logic is false. So it will not execute. So 4 times this block is executed. And how much is the block? Block is starting here. So this curly bracket up to this curly bracket. This is the block of the program which is executed. How many times? Finite times, 4 times. Okay. So in the program of the block under the for loop, in fourth program, this for was forever. F that was like this, for semicolon semicolon bracket complete. It was in this fourth program case, isn't it? This is for semicolon semicolon. Remaining program was same. Remaining program was same. Okay. Here it is finite block. It is not semicolon semicolon. It is finite. Or b equal to 0, b less than 4, b plus plus. It will execute 4 times this block. What is in this block? P0 equal to 0x00, P1 equal to 0x00, P2 equal to 0x00, P3 equal to 0x00 are outputted. P0, P1, P2, P3 are outputted with 0x00. 0x00 means hex 00. Hex 00 means in binary it is 00000000. Total 8 0 will be there in binary. So all ports P0 80 are outputted, P1 80 are outputted, P2 80 are outputted, P3 80 are outputted. So all the ports P0, P1, P2, P3 are outputted with 0 on each pin. So 8 pin for each port, total 32 pin for 4 ports. All ports are outputted with 0 logic, 0 voltage. Then there will be delay. Nested for loop is there. Nested for loop. So for loop or k executes k equal to 0. Then next for loop or L executes 2005 times. For L equal to 0 to L equal to 2005 times. For k equal to 0, L executes 2005 times. Okay. 2500 times. For k equal to 0. For k equal to 1, again L executes 2500 times. For k equal to 2, again it executes 2005 times. So the for loop with k variable executes 2005 times. But for loop with L variable executed 2500 into 2500 times. That means 62,50,000 times. This is called nested loop for loop. So this will generate appreciable delays, noticeable delays, quite long delays. This is nested for loop. So P0, P1, P2, P3 are made all 32 P's 0. Then nested for loop will generate the delay. And then P0 is made 1. All the 8 pins of P0 is outputted 0xFF. So P0 port is made 1111 1111. Okay. Okay. So after P0 port is sent with 11111111, P0 will become high. Remaining rest of the ports P1, P2, P3, P4 are P1, P2, P3 are low only. Sequentially we have to blink it. So first only P0 is made high. Then again nested for loop delay is there. For k equal to 0, this loop is executing 2500 times, and each time this loop is executed again 2500 times. So totally the for loop for L will execute 62,50,000 times. 62,50,000 times. Isn't it? Then after this delay, again P0 is outputted 1, P1 is also outputted 1. Okay, already P0 is 1, again P0 is outputted 1 and P1 is outputted 1. Now 2 ports are outputted 1. So P0 8 pins will have all pins high logic 5 volt, and P1 output pins, there are 8 output pins, all pins will have high logic available or 5 volt available. So P0 and P1 are FF 1111 both P0 and P1 are 1111 on its pins. So they are having logic high. So they are blinking now as a high. So sequentially it is blinked. First P0 is blinked, then P0 and P1 are blinked. It is sequentially blinked. And again nested for loop will generate the delay. How much the delay is generated? The delay is due to the execution of k variable for loop as well as L variable for loop. K variable for loop will execute 2500 times and L variable for loop will execute 2500 times each for k value. If k value is 0, L for loop will execute 2500 times. If k value is 1, L for loop will execute 2500 times. If k value is 2, L for loop will execute 2500 times. If k value is 2, same 2500 times, L will execute 3, 2500 times. So totally L for loop will execute 62,050 lakh 62 lakh 50,000 times. Okay, so this much is a delay introduced. K for loop will execute 2500 times and L for loop will execute 62 lakh 50,000 times. After this delay, again P0 is outputted with 1111 P1 is outputted with 1111 P2 is outputted with 1111 Okay, P0, P1, P2 all are outputted with 1 now. So 24 pins of P0, P1, P2 are now 1 and P3 pins are again 0 in this stage also. So sequentially it is blinked. First P0 is blinked, delay is there, then P0 and P1 are blinked high, delay is there, then P0, P1, P2 all pins are blinked high, delay is there. Again this delay is nested for loop delay. This delay is nested for loop delay. For loop for K will execute 2500 times, for loop for L will execute 62 lakh 550,000 times. Okay. So after these 3 ports are made high, blinked high, now all 4 ports are blinked high. So for that P0 is outputted 0xFF, P1 is outputted again 0xFF, P2 is outputted 0xFF, and in this case now this time P3 is also outputted 0xFF. Okay. All 4 ports, all pins, P0 8 pins, P1 8 pins, P2 8 pins, P3 8 pins, 32 pins, all 4 ports, 32 pins are outputted now logic 1. Logic 1 means 5 volt on each pin. If LEDs are connected, LEDs will blink on, turn on for all the 32 pins. In case of simulation, we can check the general purpose IO 0, GPIO 0. It will show all 32 high. Okay. In peripherals, port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3, we can check. We can, I am uploading the practical demo for the checking of port pins, port P0, port P1, port P2, port P3, how to check that outputs, whether a tick is 1 or empty is 0, how to check that, we'll discuss in the practical video. So I will upload that video, then we can discuss also. Okay. So in simulation also we can observe these states of P0, P1, P2, P3. Now P0, P1, P2, P3 all are high. All the 32 pins are high. How much time this delay is provided? Okay. This is again the delay same as the nested for loop delays. And there are two for loops. One is for variable k for loop. Second for loop is for variable L. Variable k for loop executes 2500 times and variable L type L for loop executes 62 lakh 50,000 times, and that will generate, this nested for loop will generate the delay. After this it will again go to the top of this instruction block, and top of the instruction block is here. So for b equal to 0, b less than 4, b plus plus, this complete block will execute 4 times. So again all P0, P1, P2, P3 are high. At start of this again they are made low. All the 32 pins will become low, and then the process or procedure logic repeats. Okay, this process or logic repeats. Okay, so program 4 and program 5 both are same. Logic is same. Only difference is program in example 4 previous case, it is executing continuously infinite times, and program in the 5 number program in this case it is executing only 4 times. You can make it 5 times, 3 times, 2 times, 10 times. Okay. You can reduce the delay, you can increase the delay anyways. Okay. So we'll check this simulating also. So these are the two programs we have seen, and these two programs will have the sequential turning on and off of the ports sequentially. All the 4 ports are used for blinking. Actually there are 4 ports only for 8051 or 89C51. Those 4 ports are P0, P1, P2, P3, and all 4 ports are used for outputting, but they are outputted sequentially. And why we are calling it as a blinking? Because in hardware case or even simulation case, if we connect a LED in the hardware, whenever we send high logic on the pin, it will become high, it will blink on. And whenever we send a 0 logic on the pin, it will become low, LED becomes off, it will blink off. So LED can blink on and blink off. It is called blinking of LED. LED becomes on, LED becomes off. Okay. LED emits the light and LED stops emitting light. This is called blinking of LED. For some time we are sending one, LED starts emitting light. After some delay we send 0, LED becomes off. LED is turned off. LED stops emitting the light. So LED can start emitting light, LED stops emitting light, in between there is a delay, fixed delay. It will appear as blinking of the LED, on off condition of the LED, blinking of the LED, isn't it? That's why this program we are calling as blinking program. Program to blink all 4 port pins, high and low, sequentially, one after another for finite times. Let us say 4. Okay. So in this way, we have seen the 2 programs today. One is all the 5 programs are for blinking. So whenever a single port is used, consider for blinking. We have blinked, made the port to blink high and low. All 8 pins of the port are saying 0, all 8 pins of the port are saying 1, and there is delay given in between these operations. 0, port is made 0, port pins are made 0, delay is given. Port pins are made high, delay is given. And this strategy is applied for all the programs. But in first program, it is made for blinking is continued for infinite time, so it is forever. In second program also, this strategy is the blinking of the LED is continued for infinite time or forever time. Okay. In both first and second program, the blinking is continued for forever, continue for infinite time. And for that we have used infinite loops. 2 types of the infinite loops we have studied in that. One is for semicolon semicolon, and second is while 1. For semicolon semicolon and while 1. 2 types of the loops, infinite loops we have studied in this. We have discussed the for loop ended with delimiter semicolon also. Okay, in these 2. Then third program, blinking of the LED port is there. One port is taken, P1, and high to low blinking is there, and this blinking is finite, 10 times only. This making off and making on of the port, and again making off and making on, this process is repeated 10 times. So first 2 program infinite times, third program same port is blinked 10 times. Okay. Then next will be fourth program and fifth program. Today we have discussed this. In these programs, all 4 ports are blinked. There are 4 ports, P0, P1, P2, P3. Every port has 8 pins. So P0 is having 8 pins, P1 is having 8 pins, P2 is having 8 pins, P3 is having 8 pins. Total pins will be 32. All 32 pins are sequentially blinked. First, all the 4 pin ports are made 0. All the port 32 pins are 0. Then only port P0 is made high. Then port P0 and P1 are made high. Then port P0, P1, P2 are made high. Then port P0, P1, P2, P3, all 4 are made high. All 32 lines are made high. Every time there is a introduction of the delay. With in this case, a delay is introduced with nested for loop. In that case, one for loop executes 2500 times and next for loop executes 62 lakh 50,000 times. Again, there are two strategies are there for blinking. In this program, fourth program, this blinking is continued forever, continued for infinite time. And in fifth program, the blinking is only for 4 times, finite time, 4 times. And for that, this for loop is considered. For b equal to 0, b semicolon, b less than 4 semicolon, b plus plus. This is the for loop for fifth program. Okay. So these 5 programs we have discussed. Today we'll stop for embedded systems. Okay. And we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.